Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be filming today's video in the bathroom because I'm going to show you guys how I wash my makeup brushes. So yeah, I have my little setup right here. Hopefully my camera doesn't get wet, but you know. So that's why the lighting is a little bit weird, because I decided to use the lighting in the bathroom because there is a window in the top and it is a small bathroom and I don't want to bring my box lights in here. So, you know, we got to work what we got to do, right? Okay. I normally use the Dawn dishwashing soap. It really works to take off like any oils or anything from your face and from your eyes, and any dirt too, but I don't have any right now. But I have been using new products to clean my brushes, which I think have been working really good as well. The first thing that I've started to use is Ulta Beauty's Brush and Sponge Cleanser. This one right here. And then what I also been using to wash my brushes is this little soap from Beauty Creations. It came with one of the beauty sponges that I bought. It's just a white one. And I'm actually almost out of it. So I'm actually going to see if I can find a bigger size and buy it. Okay, so I do have a couple of brushes here that I do want to wash. I did use these to do my makeup today, so I'm going to be washing these today. So first, what I like to do, I'm going to start off with the face brush. The first thing I like to do is I like to turn on the water. Only turn it on a little bit, just like a little bit like this. And then I go ahead and I wet the brush, just the end, just to get it wet. And then I go ahead and I get the cleanser. And I just go ahead and I spray the brush like this. And then I get the soap and I wet it. And then I just go ahead and I bring the brush all around the soap like this. And then I also wet the mat. And then I just go ahead and I start rubbing it on the mat like this. And I just go ahead and I go around and round till I get it really clean. And then I go ahead and rinse it. And I just keep doing this until the water comes out clean. If I need to, I'll go ahead and I'll spray some more cleanser. And then also rub it on the soap one more time. See how the soap is not that dirty anymore? It's coming out a little bit more white. And that's because it's not that dirty anymore. So you want to keep doing this until the soap actually comes out completely white. See how it has nothing coming out anymore? So you know that it's clean. And to rinse it, I just run it on the water and I go like this to take any extra soap on the brush off. And then to squeeze the water, just press it down like this together between my fingers. And then I just tap it to take any excess water off. And then I'm going to spray some of the cleanser. And then rub it with the soap. And then just go ahead and rub. I got this cleaning mat for my birthday actually. I do have a smaller one, but I do like this one because it's bigger. So it's better for face brushes. So I clean it and then I rinse it and then I clean it. I repeat these steps until the water comes out clean and the soap comes out white. I'm going to do 2 more face brushes and then I'm going to move on to the eye brushes. I'm going to be washing all of these eye brushes right here. I use these today to do my eye makeup, so I'm going to be washing them today. And these are actually easier to wash. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray it. And then get the soap and then just go ahead and wash it. You see how dirty that is? So For the small brushes, I use I tend to use the small parts of the mat, like this one right here. I wet it, and then I go ahead and do it again. And then I like to keep the soap in my hand when I'm doing the face brushes because I only have to use one hand. And do you see how white, how clean it is now? It turned the bristles back to white. So make sure you rinse it right, like that. And then you want to go ahead and tap it off. This color switch I got from Forever 21, and I use this to clean out the eyeshadow when I don't have time to wash them, when I want to use the same brush twice. So what I do, I take everything out. First I rinse the tin can, take anything out. So I just rinse it off like this. And then I wash the little sponge that's inside as well. I wet it first. And then I get the same soap and I just rub it like this together to make sure it gets soap everywhere. And then I just go ahead and I wash it. And that is how I wash my brushes. I do also use the Dawn soap, but I didn't have any, so I used those two. But I mostly use the three of them sometimes. Sometimes I go back and forth, but now I've mostly been using these two. And I love how clean they get my brushes, and they actually get them back to its original color. Because I've used the other ones before, and they clean them, but they keep them stained. And this one actually takes all the stains off and everything, which I really like. Lay everything out in a towel and I let it dry overnight. Usually 24 hours is when the face brushes are usually like completely dry. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed learning how I wash my brushes, and I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you did like it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.